We chase alpha, and today we're chasing it with OpenAI's O3. After a little prompt crafting, we built a self-sufficient agent that does something most teams pay a small fortune to approximate. It learns your ICP, hunts signals, reads the web, and scores leads on its own. One prompt, one model. Let me walk you through how it works, and then I'll show you a raw test in the OpenAI Playground at the end. So we gave O3 a job: find alpha signals and prioritize who we should talk to next. It starts by looking at your client's URL or your own and LinkedIn to infer your ICP, who you actually serve and why. It chooses top-level signals that are dynamic by industry. What matters for fintech isn't the same as what matters for B2B SaaS or healthcare. It analyzes each lead's website, LinkedIn, and company page. It pulls fresh context via web search, funding, press, reviews, traffic trends, even patents. Then it organizes and scores everything, clean, explainable, and ready for action. Okay, here's the test run. Live in the playground. Paste your client URL plus LinkedIn. Select industry-aware signals. Scan the lead. It reads their website, company LinkedIn, and about pages, pulling what matters: product maturity, ICP overlap, regions, roles, and proof points. Hit the web. The agent compiles citations with each claim so we can audit later. Score and explain. It outputs a ranked list with reason codes and a signal ledger: what fired, what didn't, and why the score is what it is. It scores across multiple variables, for example, ICP match, how tightly they align with the inferred ICP, tech used, stack fit, integrations, and replacement potential, priority signals greater than or equal to 2. If 2 or more top signals fire, they bubble up. ICP relevant page signals, pricing, compliance, implementation detail, buyer-facing copy, hiring, funding, called regulatory bouditillon. Momentum moments that often precede buying, plus a bunch of secondary features we can toggle on-off per industry. The output isn't just a number, it's a why. You can hand it to an SDR and they'll know what to say and why now. Yes, this might sound extreme, but remember, one prompt, one model. Huge thanks to Kareem and Clay for the relevant signal frameworks that inspired a lot of this thinking. We're not trying to build another monolithic SaaS, we're building thinking workflows, custom, explainable, and fast enough to catch alpha before everyone else sees it. Let's chase alpha with fewer meetings and smarter agents.